Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's topic is how to design a pricing section like this. The main selling point of this is like it's a little cute, it has playful colors, and it's about like a design project something. So, first, the illustrations are from ChatGPT. So, in ChatGPT, I sent an illustration and asked you to create illustration with three things on these topics, and I removed the text and everything, and it came for us this one. So this is the redesigned version with the creatures. So I took this, I removed the background and added it here. So I have the starter, studio, and the creative plans. So the images are from ChatGPT. So whenever you need illustrations like this, just get some references, send it to ChatGPT, and ask it to create whatever you want with those as references. I used to do this in Midjourney, but ChatGPT is uh, little better than Midjourney at illustrations, but when you want to create like ultra specific photographic, like a real uh, things, Midjourney is good. But when it comes to illustrations like this, ChatGPT is a little better. But yeah, if you want to create something ultra realistic like this, of course Midjourney is good, but even things like this Midjourney is good. But if you want to do a simple illustration, ChatGPT is better. But yeah, that's the thing, and all the colors come from the images. So I just took the primary color of each image and added as the button colors, and the font here is I wanted like a soft font, so I chose SN Pro, which is from Supernotes. So that looked good here, and that's basically it. Everything else is auto layouted. This section is doesn't have it's an ignore auto layout, so it just sticks out a little bit there. But yeah, that's it. So try it out. Try ChatGPT illustrations, generating illustration in ChatGPT, and you'll get something like this. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.